Here's how we spatchcock and grill our turkey. Start with a thawed turkey in front of you and then check the turkey cavities, and if they're present, remove the neck and giblets. Save them for making gravy. Remove the tailbone and flip the turkey over so it's breast side down. Now to spatchcock is to remove the turkey's backbone. So with a pair of shears or a sharp knife, cut down both sides of the backbone to remove it. The hip bones can be difficult to get through, so be prepared to add more pressure. Once you're done, save the backbone for the gravy or even stock. Now split the breast with a blow from your knife. Spread the carcass, and you're listening for that crack. Tuck each of the wings behind and with paper towels, pat the turkey dry all over. Next, generously cover all sides of the turkey with kosher salt. This is the process of dry brining. We'll finish by placing the turkey on a wire rack and refrigerating overnight uncovered. The salting helps the turkey retain moisture and lays the groundwork for crispy grilled skin. Fill a charcoal chimney full of briquettes and with a starter cube, set it alight. We will be preparing a 2-zone fire with char baskets, and while the charcoal gets started, we'll prep the turkey. Brush a thin coat of olive oil all over the turkey skin. Next, generously season the turkey with your favorite poultry rub. Now back to the kettle. Once the briquettes start to ash over, equally divide the coals between the char grill baskets. Add a drip pan and a cherry wood chunk for color and flavor. Drop in the grate and brush them clean. Position the turkey with the legs towards the baskets. Use aluminum foil to protect any parts of the turkey that are too close to the coals so it doesn't burn. Insert the Weber Connect temperature probe and lower the lid. Cook the turkey over indirect medium-high heat. This 12-pound turkey will take about an hour and 15 minutes. We'll monitor the internal temperature with the Weber Connect hub. For more flavor, consider basting the skin periodically with melted butter made up of fresh herbs and garlic. The turkey is done when the internal temperature of the breast reads 150 degrees Fahrenheit. When the turkey is removed from the grill and allowed to rest, carryover cooking will take the meat to 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Now to carve. Begin by separating the wings. Flex the joints and work the knife around the joint until it separates. Repeat for both sides. Next, we're going to separate the leg and the thigh from the rib cage. Look for the hip joint and with the knife, separate it. Carving is all about finding the joints to make it easier to separate the sections. For the breast, cut down one side of the keel bone, which is that bony structure in the center of the breast meat, and then make a cut up the rib cage to separate the breast whole. Don't worry about leaving meat on the carcass. It's a treat to pull it all off when the main carving's done. With both breasts separated, split the legs from the thighs, and then slice the breast into serving-sized pieces, being sure to keep that skin intact. For fast, even cooking, succulent meat, and a crispy skin, a spatchcock turkey is the way to go.